Getting hit with the EA AntiCheat has detected an unacceptable configuration error in FC26? Don't worry, you are in the right place. We have got quick, effective fixes to get you back in the game fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a frustrating FC26 error that's stopping players in their tracks. Let's fix it together. Method 1. Check for any installed anti-cheat software. The first thing you need to do when you are getting EA AntiCheat has detected an unacceptable configuration error while playing FC26 is make sure you don't have any other anti-cheat software installed on your PC. Other anti-cheat software may be installed with other games like CSGO or Valorant. So uninstall these anti-cheat software and then restart your PC. Check if the issue reappears. Method 2. Clean any temporary or junk file. Right-click on Start menu and select Task Manager. Look for any process related to FC26 or EA and right-click on them. Select the End Task option for each process. Now, open the FC26 installation folder. For Steam users, open Steam and head to Library. Right-click on FC26 game and select the Manage option. Click on Browse Local Files and this should open the installation folder. For EA Launcher users, simply right-click on the FC26 desktop shortcut and select Show More options. Click on Open File Location and it will open the installation folder. Open the installer folder, double-click on the cleanup.exe file, wait for it to finish. If you couldn't find the file, then move on to the next step. Method 3. Check the integrity of game files. Verifying the game file should fix the problem if there are any missing or corrupted game files. Here is how to verify the game files from Steam. Open the Steam library, right-click on the game and expand its properties. Click on the Install Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait till the verification process completes. Once the game is verified, relaunch the game and check. Method 4. Reinstall the EA AntiCheat. The next thing you can do is repair or reinstall AntiCheat. Go to the installation location for FC26, open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA AntiCheat folder and open it. Double-click on the EA AntiCheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option and then on OK. Next, go to the game installation location and select the folder. Then click on the select folder option. This will repair the AntiCheat. Next, click on Update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the Uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on the Install button to install the anti-cheat. It will also get reinstalled when you try to run the game next time. Method 5. Launch the game from the EA app. Open the EA app on your computer. If you are not already logged in, enter your EA account credentials to sign in. Once you are logged in, go to the library section. This is where all your purchased and installed games are listed. Look for the game you want to play in your library. You can use the search bar at the top if you have any games. Click on the game's icon or title. This will open up the game's page. From there, click the play button to start the game. If it's your first time launching the game, you might need to follow some additional prompts, such as agreeing to terms or downloading updates. Method 6. Add the game to the antivirus exclusion list. The next thing you can do is add the game to the antivirus exclusion list on your PC. If you have any third-party antivirus, then add the game to the whitelist or exclusion list. Those who are using Windows Defender, here is how you can do it. Type Windows Security in the search bar and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Next, allow app through control folder access and select Yes. Next, click on Allow an app through control folder access and confirm. Click on Add an allowed app option. Select Browse all apps, browse to the FC26 installation folder and select the exe file. If you don't know where the installation folder is, then open Steam and click on Library. Right-click on FC26 and select Manage, then Browse Local Files. Check the address of the installation folder and browse to it. After the game is added, run the game and see if the issue is fixed. If the issue persists, then try disabling the control folder access toggle from the ransomware protection settings. You can also disable firewall for the time being. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewalls and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select Top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off option. Click on the radio buttons for Turn off Windows Defender Firewall, not recommended options for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. Method 7. Enable Secure Boot. The next thing you can do is enable Windows Secure Boot. So you can try this and see if this fixes the problem. Now each PC has a different BIOS key. The general BIOS keys are F1, F2, F9, F10 or Dell. But they will differ as per the motherboard. If you don't know the BIOS key, check the manufacturer's manual and keep it handy. Keep pressing the BIOS key to enter BIOS. You can also enter BIOS from Windows settings. press Win+I to enter Settings, then select Recovery. Next, click on the Restart Now button beside the Advanced Startup option. From the Advanced option, select Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced Options, then select UEFI firmware settings, then Restart. This will help you to enter BIOS or the UEFI settings. Then select Boot, System Configuration or Security option. This will depend upon your BIOS settings. Then select the BIOS tab. Select the Secure Boot option. If you cannot find the Secure Boot option, click on CSM Support and disable the option. Then go to the extreme bottom and you will find the Secure Boot option. To enable the option, press the Enter key. If you find the option has grayed out, then set the administrator or supervisor password. Go to the Security tab and enter the administrator password. Make sure to keep a note of it so that you do not forget. You will need this administrator password whenever you boot into BIOS. Now you will be able to enable Secure Boot. Press the F10 button on your keyboard and press Enter. This will save the changes and help to exit the window. Boot into Windows 11 and press the Windows key. Enter System and select System information from the options. From the System Summary tab, search for Secure Boot State. If you see it is on, you have successfully enabled the Secure Boot. Method 8. Contact EA Support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the EA's anti-cheat error while playing FC25, then you can reach out to EA Support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. And that's it. Those are the top fixes for the EA anti-cheat configuration error in FC26. If one of these worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech solutions. Drop a comment below to share what worked. It might just help someone else out. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.